Hey everyone, good morning. Across Central Oregon, we had a cold start. I'm Darrell Winninger, Chief Meteorologist at Central Oregon Daily News. And today, we started off in the 20s with some teens. By this afternoon, we'll be topping out in the 40s with some 30s on the map. And across the high desert, we've had more sunshine, but there are some thin light clouds, not bringing any precipitation to the high desert. And right now, I am on Pilot Butte, so that view across the high desert, even looking out to the Cascades, is gorgeous. Now, here through the next couple of days, we're expecting to stay dry. A modest warming trend will bring those temperatures up a little bit more each day, and those cold starts are going to continue. So join us tonight on Central Oregon Daily News. We'll have the latest headlines and your most reliable forecast. See you then.